Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your girl, Sweet the Queen. So today I'm going to be working on my YouTube office corner. If you guys don't know, I have another YouTube channel where I do commentary, talk about different type of topics and things like that. But yeah, I was doing the office background and I chose this pretty foam brick that I got off Amazon. They have a whole bunch of different colors, and that's what I'm using for the background of my wall. The way my wall is here, it curves. So I had, started at the curve and then curved it around. This stuff is really, really sticky, you guys. You have to be really careful. Once it's laid, it is laid. I didn't get to film the bottom. What I did was I did the bottom, and then I had did the middle on that first column, but I noticed that the wall, it's like not shaped right, I guess, like as far as height wise, because the gap in the middle was getting like wider as I was going along. So I'm like, what's going on? So I'm like, okay, let me stop here. I wasn't expecting that gap. So I said, let me stop. I did the first column, and then I decided to go in and do the top and the bottom, and then fill in the middle row. It only took 3 rows to do my wall. Like 3 rows across and about 4 or 5 Yeah, but we'll see. As you guys can see, I was kind of struggling with this paper because, like I said, this stuff was very sticky. Even the back paper was kind of hard to get off. But yeah, it was. I had to. What I did, because I didn't want to pull the whole paper off, and then a piece of it gets stuck to the wall by accident, and and then I couldn't get it off, so I peeled and stuck, and then like peeled the paper from the back while I was laying it down from the front, you know. Um, Also, too, this probably, I'm a renter, but it's probably not kind of renter friendly because it can peel the paint off the wall. So what I did for another project, which I haven't really done yet, I have to get it's on another camera. For my kitchen, I put tiles on the walls and a section over my stove. And what I did for that, I put poster boards down first before I put the tiles on. So the tiles weren't directly on the wall. But this, it was gonna be too much poster boards, too much. So I just said, I'm just gonna put it shit on the wall. But for a renter friendly option, please put down poster boards over the whole wall first, and then lay this sticky foam tile on top of the poster board. That would definitely help. Please excuse the bikes in the background. I have this cool kind of like bike rack that I had got from Amazon for my kids' bikes, where you can put the bikes kind of like on top of each other. Like that's why the bike is so up high. So I already, like I told you guys, I already had the bottom. So I did the bottom and the top, and I noticed I was getting this gap in between that I covered up later. I'll show you guys how. So I guess somebody for their home, you guys, I guess could put the bricks close together and just fill in with brick later, cut some brick down. But being that I was doing this for my office, I said I'll fill in the cracks another way, you know. Oh, and as you guys know, when I do these types of projects, of course, like this is a workout, so I have my workout gear on, my sweat gear. just, that's what all that is on my arms and around my waist, and, but that's all that is. Your girl's trying to slim down while she's doing her work and stuff like that. That's it. That's why I'm suited and booted. Suited and booted. So this is a pretty paper, contact paper that I got from Amazon. I slid it down, trimmed it down to go over those cracks and gaps that I was telling you guys about earlier. That's how I covered it. Although you guys probably can't see everything, due to editing, I was having like a kind of difficult time. This paper kind of kept falling back down, falling off. So what I had to do was, yeah, I was having a hard time. So what I had to do was I put glue later on. Like, I didn't put the glue directly on the wall. I put the glue on the foam, the top and bottom part of the foam, and glued it down. And also like a piece of clear tape, So this contact paper, I don't know if it's something that it has a sticky backing, but sometimes you need like, a wallpaper glue or contact paper glue or something like that, for these types of things. And here's my wall, you know, um, pretty in pink. And I tried to, yeah, get the whole wall, this top, and I have to do this bottom line with the contact paper. You see how this gap is so closed right there? And then it got open. The gap opened. So it's like, I don't know what was wrong with my wall right there. But, so that's why I have these gaps. But I could have covered it with the foam paper, the foam tile. But I decided to, since it's my office, let me do a little design in there, a little, difference. And here's my wall with both of the trims filled in. It, it looks very sleek, very nice. Here's the wall. It's very pretty, very smooth. Like I said, this stuff sticks. I don't have to worry about it coming down or anything like that. And yeah, very nice, you guys. I love my pink wall, and I get so many compliments about it too. And here I added my vision board that I covered with the same contact paper that I used in the cracks. I think I'm gonna upload a short of my vision board because the before and after. But yeah, you guys. And here's the finished YouTube office. Like I said, I use this for my other channel, Sweets the Queen, where I do like commentary on different topics, mostly life topics too, like stuff that kind of like hit home. I put up some shelving, some lighting. I appreciate you guys for watching. I added some pink lighting too. I had to rearrange everything, and my vision board is kind of covered by my background, but you know, this is my YouTube studio, you guys. If you like my DIY channel, subscribe, and definitely let me know what you guys think down below. And appreciate you guys watching.